Hello everyone, my name is Rizki Sinar. In this video, I will show you how to install and set up VirtualBox and how to use Ubuntu on it. VirtualBox allows us to run another operating system on your computer. This tutorial will guide you step by step. And let's get started, guys. First, open your browser and search the VirtualBox. Then, click the download button. Choose the version that matches your operating system. After the download complete, open your VirtualBox on your computer. And click the new for create the new virtual machine. Enter the name, select the type, subtype, and version. And choose the best memory RAM and processor settings. And click finish for a complete setup. After that, click start to run Ubuntu. Now Ubuntu is ready to use, guys. That's all for this tutorial. Now you can use Ubuntu on VirtualBox. Thank you for watching.
Jiwa dan raga